Assalamu alaikum students, it's 6th class grammar unit number 4 page number 8 and the unit name is the word. Let's read. What is a word? Do you know what is the word? When we talk, we have a combination of different words, so we mostly use word groups to express complete thought. Sometimes we express a complete thought through a single word. As if we say the word go, the listener understands what the speaker trying to convey. Number 2, if we say the word thief, the listener follows the speaker means by it. Hearing the word thief, the listener would react with appropriate action and may perhaps try to ward off the thief by using a stick. It is clear from above discussion that words have their meanings, but how are words formed? How are words formed? Each word is a group of letters. Word is a group of letters. These letters are written or spoken in a certain order. They are called spellings. Let us take three letters T-O-Y, toy. These letters can be grouped in 6 different ways. So let's see. Number 1, T-O-Y, T-Y-O, O-Y-T, O-T-Y, Y-O-T, then Y-T-O. Out of 6 groups of letters, only one group makes a meaningful word, and that one is toy. This group is toy, so it is a word. The definition is there. A word is a group of letters written in a certain order to have some meanings. Next topic is syllables. Syllables are the part of a word. Different parts. So let's see. We pronounce or speak words through sounds. These sounds are carried by vowels and consonants. No word can be formed without a vowel sound. As I told you in the previous chapter, chapter number 3, we can't create any word without vowel sound. But a word may have 2 or more vowels. Each vowel is generally attached to 1 or 2 consonants. Vowels are called self-voiced letters because they can create sound freely, but consonant cannot create sound freely, so these are called unvoiced letter. So let's see. These consonants and the vowels attached to them form a unit of pronunciation. This unit is called a syllable. Remember that a syllable may be a complete word in itself, just like a, so, cat, sky, but, Lord, or may form part of a word. In this case, the word may have more syllables, just like sister, butter, happy, vowel. So, to make part of a word is called syllabication. Now we will read the process of syllabication. Before reading syllabication, we will have definition of syllable. A syllable is the smallest unit of pronunciation forming a complete word or part of a word. Just like understand, understand. Intelligent, intelligent. So, syllabication now. Syllabication is a process of dividing a word into its syllables. In terms of syllables, we name words as under: monosyllabic, bisyllabic, trisyllabic, multisyllabic. So, a word with only one syllable is called monosyllabic. Next, a word with two syllables is called bisyllabic. A word with three syllables is called trisyllabic, while a word with more than three syllables is called multisyllabic. Note TION or SION, SHN, so it does not form a syllable in itself. It is a part of the preceding syllable. For example, the word nation has only one syllable. The word vacation has two syllables, vacation. Vacation. Words with silent letters. Some words in English now show a different behavior. Each of these words has one or two letters silent. They are unsounded. Calm, C is silent here. Honest, H is silent here. Dumb, B is silent here. Sign, G is silent here. Light, then H is silent here. Then right, W is silent here. You have to practice this concept of syllabication and must learn the given definition on page number 19 and 18 as well. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz students.